I didn't believe in God at all. But Alcoholics Anonymous changed something in me I couldn't explain because I couldn't stop drinking, no matter how many times I tried. Hi, my name's Sam. I'm an alcoholic, sober today by the grace of God, the principles, and the fellowship of the program of Alcoholics Anonymous. And I don't say that lightly because there was a time in my life when I didn't believe in God at all, not even a little. I didn't come into this thing looking for God. I came because my life wasn't working. I didn't think I had a drinking problem. I thought I had a life problem. And alcohol was the only thing that made it feel manageable until it didn't. At some point, it stops being fun, stops being social, stops being a choice, and it becomes something you need just to feel normal. I remember telling myself, this is the last time, over and over and over again. And I meant it every single time, but I couldn't stop. That's the part people don't understand unless they've lived it. It's not about willpower. It's not about being weak. It's something deeper. When I walked into my first meeting, I didn't walk in full of hope. I walked in because I had run out of options. I had tried doing it my way, and my way didn't work. What I found in Alcoholics Anonymous was a room full of people who understood me without me having to explain myself. They had the same thoughts, the same patterns, the same broken promises to themselves. And for the first time, I didn't feel alone. But here's the truth. I didn't buy into the whole God thing at first. Not at all. When they say higher power, I checked out. I thought, yeah, this isn't for me. But something kept me there. Maybe it was desperation. Maybe it was honesty. Maybe it was the fact that these people had something I didn't have. Peace. So I made a decision not to believe everything, but to stay, to listen, to be open, to try something different just once. And slowly, something started to change. Not overnight, not in some dramatic lightning bolt moment, but little by little, I started getting out of myself. That's one of the biggest things AA gave me. It got me out of me. Because my problem wasn't just alcohol. My problem was me. My thinking, my control, my need to run everything. Through the steps, through service, through being around other people trying to stay sober, I started to experience something I couldn't explain. Peace. In moments where there used to be chaos. Clarity where there used to be confusion. And somewhere along the way, that higher power I didn't believe in became real to me. Not because someone convinced me, but because I experienced it. Alcoholics Anonymous didn't just help me stop drinking. It gave me a new way to live, a way to be honest, a way to show up, a way to be useful. And today, I don't have to run from myself anymore. I don't have to numb everything. I don't have to make promises I can't keep. Today, I'm free. Not because I'm strong, but because I finally surrendered. If you're watching this and you're struggling, if you've told yourself this is the last time, more times than you can count, I just want you to know you're not alone. And there is a way out. AA saved my life. Not all at once, but one day at a time. My name's Sam, and I'm an alcoholic. And by the grace of God, I'm sober today.